To understand the fight or flight response, it helps to think about the role of emotions in our lives. Many of us would prefer to focus on our logical, thinking nature and ignore our sometimes troublesome emotions, but emotions have a purpose. Our most basic emotions, like fear, anger, or disgust, are vital messengers. They evolved as signals to help us meet our basic needs for self-preservation and safety. It would be dangerous to be indecisive about a threat to our survival, so the brain runs information from our senses through the most primitive, reactive parts of our brain first. These areas of the brain control instinctive responses, and they don't do too much thinking. This most primitive part of our brain communicates with the rest of our brain and our body to create signals we can't ignore easily, powerful emotions and symptoms.